Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Mazda 3, stock number 7269. This ran from the 11th 2013 to 2nd 2019. Has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,